How to configure Google Analytics using Tag Manager. Start by clicking New Tag. You can rename the tag by clicking on the Untitled Tag field. Then click on the big icon where it says Choose a Tag Type to begin setup. Then select Google Analytics, Universal Analytics. Configure your tag by entering the UA number from your tracking script. You will need to enter your UA number in order to configure the tag. I will describe you to find your UA script from Google Analytics. Now add the UA tracking code to Google Tag Manager. In the next step you'll have to set up a trigger. To do that, click on the big icon where it says Choose a Trigger to make this tag fire. Select Page View for tracking type. Click Save to save tag. Once done, you need to publish the tag to complete the process.